Now that we know what a noun is, we need to talk about what a noun can do. One of the things that a noun can do in a sentence is act as the subject. The subject of the sentence is the word that is performing the action. It may also be a state of being. The light just turned on.
Time 10 minutes, 0 seconds.
The subject of that sentence is light. The barricades blocked the street. The subject of that sentence is barricades. Miss Lisa is walking down the street. The subject of that sentence is Miss Lisa. Barrels line the street. The subject of the sentence is barrels. Now let's see if you can identify some of the subjects. The dog wore a construction hat. What's the subject? Dog.
Time 15 minutes, 0 seconds. Distance 0.72
The moon
miles.
shone in the sky. What's the subject? The moon. Subjects are often at the beginning of a sentence, but not always. For example, I could say, as Miss Lisa walked down the street, the night grew darker and darker. The night is the subject of that sentence, even though it's not the first word in the sentence. Parked on the side of the street, the construction vehicle waited for the next morning. What's the subject? The construction vehicle, specifically vehicle. The excavator's shovel rested on the dirt. What's the subject? Shovel. Sometimes the sentence doesn't have an action. The verb in the sentence is just a state of being verb. So I could say, this excavator is very tall. The verb would be is, and the subject of the sentence is excavator. The sidewalk ended. What's the subject? Sidewalk. Hanging next to the street, which was under construction, the hammocks grew dusty. The subject of that sentence is hammocks. If I said, I am tired, I is the subject. There's just one problem. It's not a noun. I is a pronoun. It can still be a subject. We'll talk about those another time.